Day 9 of 84. Full protocol, thoracic and lower cross focus. This is foundation phase, week 2, and today runs about 25 minutes. Let's go through it. Inhibit, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Thoracic spine foam roll, 2 by 60s, increase to 60s. Place arms overhead to increase the extension moment at each segment. Upper trap ball release, 2 by 60s per side. Work medially toward the spine today. Suboccipital release, 2 by 60s. Pair each spot with the long exhale. Lengthen, 6 minutes, 4 moves. Hip flexor stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Exhale and tuck tailbone under to deepen. Raise same side arm. Levator Scapulae Stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Breathe into the stretch. Let the exhale create more length. Ulnar Nerve Glide, 2 by 10 per side. Smooth monocle motion. Coordinate with breathing. Doorway chest stretch, 2 by 30s. Added to thoracic days from week 2 onward. Different arm angle than upper cross days, use 90 degrees. Activate, 8 minutes, 4 moves. TA activation, 2 by 10. Maintain contraction for 10s while breathing normally. Exhale to initiate the contraction. Bird dog, 2 by 8 per side. Exhale as you extend, inhale as you return. 3s hold at top. Bridge, 2 by 12. Exhale to lift, inhale at top, exhale to lower. 3s hold. Modified plank, 2 by 25s. Increased from 20s. Breathe steadily. Do not hold your breath. Integrate, 5 minutes. 2 moves. Open book stretch, 2 by 6 per side. Exhale as you rotate open. Let each exhale take you a little further. Bear crawl hold, 2 by 20s. Breathe through the nose. Quiet, controlled breathing. Posture checkpoint. Sit on the edge of a chair with no back support for 10 minutes today. Notice when your body wants to slouch. Reset with a breath. Inhale tall, exhale and maintain. That's day 9 done, 75 to go. Subscribe to follow the rest of the program. And if you'd rather have it timed and counted for you, Posture 12 is free at posture12.com/get.